Bingo Cash and Big Time use completely different reward systems, so comparing them by the amount you can earn misses the biggest difference. Bingo Cash is built around competitive cash tournaments, while Big Time focuses on rewards earned through gameplay. By the end, you'll know which app is better if your priority is cash prizes, and which one makes more sense if you want a more casual reward system. Bingo Cash is a bingo-focused competitive gaming app, where real money tournaments are available. Players can enter contests and compete against other players for cash prizes. The important part is that your potential winnings are tied to the specific tournament. Entry fees, prize pools, and eligibility can vary, so there isn't a fixed amount that every player earns. If you're considering Bingo Cash, open the tournament section first. Check the entry cost, prize amount, and withdrawal requirements before entering a paid contest. It works differently. It is a mobile gaming platform where players can earn rewards through gameplay, rather than simply entering bingo tournaments for cash prizes. That makes the two apps better suited to different types of users. If you want a competitive game where the prize is connected to a specific tournament, Bingo Cash is the closer match. If you prefer playing games and collecting rewards without focusing entirely on competitive bingo tournaments, Big Time offers a different approach. So which one pays more? There isn't a guaranteed winner based on the apps alone. Bingo Cash does not promise a fixed income, and Big Time's rewards depend on the games you play and the reward system available to you. Your actual results can also depend on location, eligibility, tournament availability, gameplay performance, and the current withdrawal rules. Another thing to check is how you receive your rewards. Before spending money or putting significant time into either app, open the withdrawal or rewards section and confirm what is currently available in your location. For someone specifically searching for real money bingo tournaments, Bingo Cash is the more relevant choice. For someone looking for gameplay rewards across a broader mobile gaming experience, Big Time is the better fit. The biggest difference is simple. Bingo Cash is competition-focused, while Big Time is reward-focused. Manner. Urana Zoane. Aner Sunway. Before choosing, compare the exact tournament entry fee and prize pool on Bingo Cash with the reward options available on Big Time. That gives you a much more useful comparison than relying on advertised earning claims. And remember, neither app should be treated as guaranteed income. Check the current rules and withdrawal conditions before spending money. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.